What are hash values? An MD5 hash value is a unique 128-bit value used for a variety of reasons, including the verification of data integrity. Hash values are useful for chain of custody and authentication, as well as post-upload processing, such as DNIST and deduplication. Now, since Outlook messages are unable to have MD5 hash values generated in a standard manner, their hash values are created from metadata strings. Hash values are assigned to native documents upon upload into the Lexvi eDiscovery platform during automated processing. In addition to hash values being assigned to native files in the automated upload process, placeholders can also be assigned. Placeholders can be created and associated with files for a number of reasons in eDiscovery, so it's important to understand why files have placeholders if they are present, and also have an understanding of what that placeholder indicates. While LEP supports hundreds of extensions for processing and can recognize as well as host over 1,000 extensions, not all of those file formats are supported for automatic PDF or TIFF conversion. Due to this, during the automated processing that occurs upon upload, some files receive placeholders. Placeholders generated in processing are categorized in two ways in LEP. Failed to convert placeholders indicate that it was a supported file type that did not convert to a normalized PDF, and that can occur for a variety of reasons, including but not limited to files being corrupt, partially corrupt, or even password protected. Files that have unsupported placeholders indicate that the document uploaded was an unsupported file type that will not convert to a normalized PDF.